Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an index and a simple key so the journal becomes searchable and fast. Start on page 1, list main sections, and update page numbers as you go. Once done, draw a key for symbols, task, meeting, deadline, priority, and stick to it. Add a monthly overview for top goals, then populate 1 week of daily logs with hard commitments. This first step saves time later. It turns scattered notes into a system you can trust and actually use every day. You keep momentum by using concise daily logs, record tasks, meetings, quick notes, and outcomes. Each evening, review and migrate any incomplete tasks, move urgent items to tomorrow, schedule others on the monthly view, or create a project page. Use signifiers for priority, delegated, or waiting on to clarify ownership and action. Make sure to cross-reference project pages from the index so you don't duplicate effort. This practice reduces cognitive load and ensures small actions align with bigger work goals. You consolidate projects by creating dedicated pages listing milestones, next actions, and deadlines. Link them in the index. Once a week, perform a review, check your index, migrate unfinished items, and rebalance priorities so weekly work reflects monthly goals. If you fall behind, time block smaller chunks for catching up and prune low-value tasks immediately. This prevents backlog growth. One troubleshooting tip: when the system stalls, simplify symbols and limit daily tasks to 5. This restores clarity and gets you moving again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.